In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Brevo with WordPress. If you want to connect Brevo to your WordPress site, this process is quite straightforward, but there is one important requirement to keep in mind before you begin. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go inside WordPress, how to find the correct plugin, and what to expect when it's time to activate it. To get started, log into your WordPress.com account and go to your site's My Home dashboard. This is your main control area where you can manage the key settings and features for your website. Starting from here makes it easier to navigate directly to the tools you needed without getting lost in other menu sections. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This is the section where you can browse, search for, and install additional tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. Since Brevo connects through a plugin, this is the exact place you need to be. After the plugins page opens, use the search bar and type in Brevo. This will filter the available plugin results and help you quickly locate the integration option you're looking for. Make sure you type the name carefully so the right result appears. When the search results load, click on Brevo for WooCommerce. This is the plugin you'll use in this setup to connect Brevo with your WordPress environment. Selecting the correct plugin is important, especially if you see multiple related results in the plugin directory. Next, click on Upgrade and Activate. This is the step that begins the installation and activation process for the plugin on your site. Depending on your account type, WordPress may guide you through an upgrade prompt before allowing the plugin to be installed. Just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Now, here's the key thing you need to know. You must have a plan that supports plugin installation. In other words, you'll need an eligible or paid WordPress.com plan in order to install and activate this plugin. If you don't currently have the right plan, WordPress will likely stop you at the upgrade stage until that requirement is met. And that's it. Once the plugin is installed and activated, you'll be ready to move forward with your Brevo connection from within your site setup. If you're following along, take your time on each screen and make sure you're selecting the correct plugin and plan option so the process goes smoothly.